What's up, my peeps? We about to get some gas real quick. Hey there, the bro.
Ain't stressing now.
Hey, looking fly. Nothing. Looking fly, boy. About to go out to this Boosted Mafia meet real quick. Gonna check that out. So about to go eat first though. So be a little skip in between. About to go to car meet. It's only a few minutes away from here. There's Florida. No Del Sol. Alright, here comes the meet over here to your right. About to pull up. Over there, boy. Looking clean street. Oh, about to pull up, boy. It's already packed in this place. That's some serious business. And we just pulled up. Nice. We're gonna have a good outcome. Mustang action. Stay away from over here. Should put a warning sign on them guys. Let's see, where do we want to park? All those fancy lights and junk. Some lighting or something. Right beside this guy. Oh, the squad game going. Park bad, but it's whatever. Watch out, there, you got your gloves, bro. The boy Del Sol over here, boy. Think he got a swap. Yeah. 350Z clean, boy. Whole lot of lighting. Mustang squad.
our boy Jesus out here, the leader of the group, boosting Mafia.
You see why I got threatened by my neighbors? Oh, dude.
Got a time machine over here.
I smell oil. That's not my car. Okay, I caught it when we were here. That's so right now, but it's not.
What year is this going?
1982.
Popo pulling up at the meet, trying to check our rides out. Well, I'm trying to race it. Wow. Well, all these trucks, Mustang squad, about to get ran over real quick. Genesis. Look at a Miata. And this girl, she wild. Modern reckless way. Yeah, post it up. Like, she ain't got you yet. He ain't got you yet. You gotta wait. Cars first.
I tried doing that shit one day.
She posted. Yeah, boy.
That's how hard you do it. I say right above 50. 60 miles an hour. And I ended up getting this. The woman rear-ended me, but she was on the 12. I got chaos.
my rhymes like metamorphosis is part of the word. Even up on the day, sleepwalking in daydreams, sleep talking they say, for the record you won't blame me. So I saw my invade, all on them so safe, free, chain holding no chains, lay low, let it bang. This a war, sleep it on. I'm in the booth, but when I am shooting, I call it before. Bang, yeah, we can be zombies. Tell them all that they can never defy me. Tell them all the manufacturers beside me. I got the cure to they sleep and they want it. I just keep it on the low, but they don't even know. I've been here for a while, but they don't even know. They don't even know. They don't even know. They don't even know.
Alright, my dudes, I think that's it for tonight. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like and leave comments if you got anything you guys want to see. About to go head home now. Peace out, my dudes. Hey, what's up, my dudes? So we're back home now. Just trying out this GoPro Hero 6 Black. Hopefully everything turns out pretty good. Just learning, so bear with me if y'all see any imperfections or any type like that. I'm gonna try to do my best. But I just like to thank everybody that's helped me so far with my build and such. You know, there's Atlanta Powerhouse Performance. They helped me a lot. They're building my car, building the motor and stuff like that. I like to thank them for all that. And then so many other people, like my bros, I like to thank them for helping me out with whatever. And most importantly, I like to thank God. So many blessings just pouring down, coming from left to right. Like actually just a minute ago, 2 deer, little does or something like that. No expert on no animals, but they went out into the road, and as soon as they saw my car lights or something, they ran back. And I was like, dang, that is one huge blessing. Because I would have probably, I was going about 45 miles per hour, and to hit 2 deer at a time, probably would have totaled my front end, could have bent my frame, everything. But hey, God's looking out, man. God's looking out. And I appreciate you guys watching. And shoot, hopefully I can make more things happen soon. Better quality videos with this GoPro, pictures, everything like that. So I appreciate you guys. Just stay tuned, bear with me. Thank you guys for everything. We'll see y'all next time.